So let me show you how to add another fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you already have a fingerprint, you can actually go ahead and add another one. So I have my right index. Let's go ahead and add my left index. So go to settings, and then under settings, scroll down to lock screen and always on display, and then go to screen lock and biometrics. Of course, it's going to ask for your current password. Once you give that, it's going to open up the screen lock and biometrics page. Go to fingerprint, and you can see I already have two fingerprints, so right index and left thumb. So let's add a third one, which is my left index. So just tap on add fingerprint, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and just register your fingerprint. Then once you finish, just tap on done. Now you can see we have a new fingerprint. Now this is called fingerprint 1 because I've already renamed the first two fingerprints. So if I want to, you can just tap on it and then you can rename it from here. Thanks for watching and good luck.